Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to Calendar on this Xiaomi smartphone. First of all, go into Devices Calendar. If you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and choose Got It. Then tap on the month above and pick a date that you wish to set up. In my case, this one. Now you can create your event by tapping here twice or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and clicking on Event. Either way, now you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title. Now you can click on your email address and change it, or tap on one of those sections, like Events. Over here, pick starting hour and ending one, or disable this feature completely by tapping on this switcher next to All Day. After that, click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. If you don't, just tap on Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Then select while using the app or only this time, type in an address, and click on the correct one. Now set up notifications minutes, hours, weeks before, change color, and finally take notes and add some attachments. Finally, to save your event, choose Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine is over here. If you wish to edit it, tap on it, click on this pen icon at the top right corner and make your changes. Then you can discard them by clicking on the top left one, or save them by choosing top right one. In order to get rid of your event though, click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, click on Delete at the top, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!